Welcome back to my channel. This is K from Solo Record. Today I'm going to unbox the cheapest Bluetooth keyboard. It cost me around $5 and it came without box. That's it inside plastic. This is the user manual. Micro USB cable. And this is the Bluetooth keyboard. There is no logo on the keyboard. Unusual backplate for a keyboard. I think these keyboards are fragile. You can see the whole thing are shaking when I push it. On the top side, you can see the fingerprint mark that I left when I touched it with my bare hand. The weight is 154.1 gram. Dimension for keyboard is 23.5 cm x 13.5 cm. The Bluetooth keyboard working perfectly fine. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe.